Hello everyone, my greetings to each one of you. This is the 14th session on Development Experience of India till 1990. In the previous session, you have understood the features of Indian industry. I am Poonam Vohra from Edupt Economics Learning Center. This session focuses on problems faced by the industrial sector, beginning with problems relating to infrastructure. So let us begin. Industrial sector in the process of development is faced with numerous challenges. Most important was lack of infrastructural facilities. Industrial development gets adversely affected because of the absence of adequate infrastructure comprising of electricity through power cuts and voltage fluctuations, overburdened railways, roads, ports and airports. Each continue to experience the pressure of rising demand for services. Reason is shortfall in planned investment, delays in implementation, land acquisition and environmental clearances, lack of coordination between various government agencies and lack of transparency in functioning. Industrial sector also faced with the problem of shortage of raw material. It occurs due to various factors like poor agricultural performance and hence low income earned by the agricultural rural class, inability of the agricultural sector to supply adequate quantity of raw materials to industry due to any failure of monsoon or energy crisis or any unforeseen circumstances. The internal factors that might be responsible for raw material shortage in the industry may be the combination of poor planning, poor production forecasting and materials management, poor inventory control, untimely procurement, non-availability of food supplier and his capability and capacity, poor coordination, financial problems of companies, supply fluctuations due to transport delays, strikes, and policy matters. Another major problem faced by industry is underutilization of capacity. There may be numerous causes for underutilization of capacity like shortage of inputs comprising of skilled labor, raw material, power failure, insufficient demand, transport facilities, labor troubles leading to work stoppages, prolonged strikes, lockouts, stagnation of real investment, technological indivisibilities, policy changes by government with respect to industrial licensing, expansion of capacity, imports, foreign exchange protection and so on. Now assess yourself. Some information is being given here. On the basis of that, you need to answer one simple question. I will read it for you. The rate of growth of capital goods industries fell drastically from 9.4% per annum during 1980s to only 5.4% during 1990s. One of the major reasons for such slowdown is low industrial investment. So the question to you is, specify one reason for the slowdown in industrial investment. Please check your answer. Slow industrial growth was mainly due to low industrial investment, and low industrial investment was mainly due to higher interest rate charged by the banks for the loans taken by the industrial sector. So it affected the industrial growth. I hope you have understood the problems relating to infrastructure in the industrial sector. With this, the session comes to an end. The next session would focus on problems relating to public sector. Till then, keep reading, keep learning, and keep updating yourself.